Hi, my name is Nikki, and in this clip I'm going to be showing you how to create lists in Word which have got multiple levels, for example 1, 1A, 1B. So for this I thought we might start with a blank document, and I'm going to use these tools to create a little multiple choice quiz. So I'm just going to enter my title at the top and then I'm ready to go. So first of all I will need to turn on the multi-level numbering. So I click up here in the paragraph group on the Home tab, and I get to choose the one I'd like to use. If you're doing a report, this one is particularly good, but for my quiz I think this one looks perfect. So you can see Word is very traditional. We've started with the number 1, so all I need to do is add my question here, and when I've finished I just press enter or return, and you can see it's given me a number 2. Now don't worry, I want a 1A, and that's very easy to change. All I need to do is to indent it, and I can do that either by pressing the tab key, that's the one above your caps lock, or I can use this icon here on my ribbon at the top. So I'll type in my first option and then press return. And what you should notice here is I've got a B now, and that's because it always gives me the same level as the one I was just on. So I'd just like to fill in B and press return, and this time I've got a C, but actually I don't want a C, I want a 2, so I need to outdent it. And I'm going to outdent by holding down the shift key and pressing tab, or I could use this icon at the top. And it's the same each time. Every time I press enter to get the new number, and then use the tab key or the icons to line it up appropriately. Now sometimes you may want to add a little extra information but without a number. And you do this by holding down shift when you press return. They call this a soft return. And as you can see, it lines it up perfectly. But if we look at the top, the numbering is still turned on. And that means that when I press return again, the list continues. Once you've finished and you don't want any more numbering, you just press return twice, and that turns off the numbering and returns you back to your normal style. You can also apply numbering after you've typed your list using all the same tools. For more ways to boost your productivity, go to happy.co.uk. Bye for now.